Hello, I'm Emily McVicker. Welcome back to another episode of Breaking It Apart and Putting It Back Together. This is a series where I take songs that I love and break apart the different components of the song, recreate them using my looper pedal, and then we play the song. If you're interested in videos like this, let me know, like and subscribe, and introduce yourself below in the comments. Today, I want to break down Brandi Carlile's hit song, The Story. This song got a lot of traction on the famous show Grey's Anatomy and a couple other various shows. I also just love Brandi. Brandi just came out with a new album. So Brandi, if you're watching, I love you. My objective anytime I'm looping a song is to give the song somewhere to go, components to build upon. Through a combination of playing with the loops and recording various parts with different instruments here, I can get the song to be pretty dynamic. Between me and my buddy, the RC300. The Boss RC300 I operate down here with my feet. I'm working 3 different tracks. Each track has a record, overdub, play button, all crammed into one, and a stop button. And in the top corner, I have an all stop, all start button. I am currently sitting in my Twitch studio. I stream live on Twitch 3 days a week, Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. So I have all of my fancy toys here. Keyboard, I got my shakers, I've got my tambourine, I've got my guitar. Whatever tools you have or skills you want to put into your loops, you can apply the same concept. I'm just gonna show you what I do. So I'm gonna show you the framework that I use for the story, but I really think you could apply this breakdown to just about any song. Any song, any song, any song. If there are any exceptions, let me know in the comments. The real trick is making the time feel good. When you hit the record button to record for the first time, it's gonna use your foot as the starting marker for the loop. And when you hit it again, that's the ending marker, and then you don't want to wait for beat 1 to hit. You don't want beat 1 to hit too soon. So the first track has to be super groovy. Before recording any loops, I set my track 1 to 2 bars. My track 1 is gonna be pretty much always a percussion, a short percussion. And that short percussion is gonna be my measuring stick for the other 2 tracks, because they all sync together. I also set track 3 for only 2 bars to match track 1. And I'm gonna put more percussion on track 3. I'm gonna make the percussion complementary that I can bring in and out. It's gonna help define and build each section as we go through the song. Track 2, I leave it set to auto. The trick to recording an auto track is hitting the record button right on beat 1. Record as long as you want until you're ready for it to loop back and hit the record button again. It starts overdubbing. You can start stacking parts. I'm gonna put some bass and piano on my track 2. The bass patch I'm using is called the Monster Bass. It sounds pretty cool. Oh, and I brought it down a whole octave. And then on top of that, I'm gonna layer some piano. I got my tambourine prepped right over here. And when I'm done setting up my loops, I'm gonna play the song with this awesome acoustic Newport Fender guitar. A 1, 2, 3. All right, let's play it. The Story by Brandi Carlile. We're gonna start it off nice and easy. All of these lines across my face tell you the story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been and how I got Thanks so much for clicking on the video. I'm a one-woman show, independent musician. If you like tutorials like this and learning about music and loops and stuff like that, please like and subscribe the video. It helps me a lot. Links to all of the gear I'm using, my piano, my guitar, my looper, even my lights and my camera, studio stuff, down below in the description, as well as links to all my social medias if you'd like to keep in touch. Write me a note, write me a comment, and I try to write back to everybody that I can. I stream music live on Twitch Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. And if you come by, let me know that you saw this video. That would be so awesome. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye. Let's keep it simple. What do you think, Cleo? Want some snacks? Come here. Cleo, shake. Switch. 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 Good girl. Piano cat, who keeps on feeding you? It's me.